Hello, Mike Sweeney with SweeneyMarketingGroup.com, and in today's video we're going to speak to the home business owner or the network marketer. If you're using Facebook groups for your home business, for training, for support, I've got three must-haves that you should be using in your Facebook groups that will get you the most effective and most productive use from your group and your members. So stay tuned for that. But first, subscribe below for more information, future videos that I'll be putting out for the home business people, marketing tips. If you subscribe, you'll get notification when those become available. I've been doing daily videos, so you stay in touch and I'll keep providing you the helpful tips. So let's jump into the three must-haves for your Facebook group. Number one, you must have a pinned post so that when each new member is invited into your Facebook group, and make sure that you tag them after they've been invited so that they are tagged in the pinned post, so that the pinned post should contain a video of like an introduction video and or a instructional written post. And I prefer to have both because it just makes you the group leader a much more visible, a much more recognized leader in the industry, for one thing. And then the second thing is some people learn better through video and some people learn better through written. So it's best to have both available for people that use video or for people that use the written, the reading concept for their learning processes. And also having the pinned post, it allows you and the other members to help get their businesses building and getting the people that are involved with back to the same pinned post. So everybody's following basically the same set of instructions, and it makes it much more duplicatable in the network marketing business if people are following the same methods, the same way of doing things, and that's what your pinned post should be about, through the introduction video and through the written instructions that they need to follow, whether it's getting the business set up and how to get customers or how to get representatives to join them in their business. So that's the first thing. Number two is you want to be in an environment where you teach to teach. So it's train to trainer, teach to teach. So the process works like this. You, as the group owner, the group leader, want to provide training or teaching in some aspect as to what your group members need to do to develop customers and or develop personal signups, downline members, team builders. That's what you need to be teaching. And it could be in a number of topics on what you're teaching, how to get traffic, how to follow up, how to create a capture page, how to broadcast messages, how to set up automated sequence emails, how to prospect. Those are the types of things that you want to be teaching for team building within a group, Facebook group for your team group. So that's the second point. You want to be in a teach to teach, teach to become the teachers, basically. Because at some point, you're going to have other people in the group starting to become teachers within that group, and then they're going to take that another step and they're going to develop their own group and start building out their own individual team following the same process. So they'll have the pin post, they'll go through and start doing the train the trainer, teach the teacher type of mentality and tactics, methods to get team development, team growth going as quickly, and it keeps also a good bond between all the team members as well. And the third thing that needs to be tied into that is some type of recognition. So as new people are coming in, they're seeing the ones that are following the information that's being presented in the pin post. They're seeing the information that's being done in the teaching and results that people are getting. And the only way that you can confirm some of that stuff is through recognizing the people that are completing steps in the pin post, the people that are following the trainings that are being done in the post from the group. And the way to do that is just put up either a short video recognizing the people that are completing specific things as outlined in either the post, or people that are taking action on specific post trainings that you're putting out there. And that could again be in a form of a video, or it could be in a written context. But those people that are taking the initiative to follow through on those types of things, you definitely want to recognize them. Whether it's completing all the steps in the pin post, or getting their first sale, or running their first traffic campaign, showing results of email follow-up, showing results of helping people that come up and start helping. You can recognize people for helping in the group, for answering questions, and starting to show that they're becoming a leader themselves. There's ways that you can go through the recognition process. Again, like I said, either mention them in name in a video, putting a nice picture of them in a post, and giving them some recognition that way. If you're going to use a written recognition post, you could just make a generic congratulations for becoming a strong leader, and you can tag a number of people that have taken action on some of the teaching, some of the training, and tag them all into that one post at one time. So not only are they seeing that recognition for doing the work, but the people that they are bringing into the group are also witnessing the recognition of what they're doing. So those are the three things that you'd want to do. So those were my 3 points. I hope you found them helpful. If you think you have other team members that could make use of that information, please like and share the video. And also remember, subscribe below, and we'll be back with some additional information for you tomorrow. Have a good day.